Hi, in this video we'll see how to tidy up the bed. How to tidy up the bed. ازاي نوضب السرير. How to tidy up the bed. This is the bed, سرير. Bed is سرير. Bed, and first thing we'll get the pillow, which is مخدة. Pillow مخدة. So first we will put نحط المخدة. And this is called pillowcase. كيس مخدة. This is pillowcase. Case is like a bag. Case for the pillow. So it's a bag for the pillowcase. We call it كيس مخدة. So we put the pillow, المخدة, and then we get the bed sheet. The bed sheet is ملاية. نفرش الملاية. نفرش to spread. نفرش, it's like fresh. نفرش to spread the ملاية. So this is bed sheet is ملاية. ملاية over the mattress. Mattress is مرتبة. دي مرتبة. This is mattress. So we put الملاية over the مرتبة. Next we get لحاف. This duvet or a cover for winter, we call it لحاف. Heavy لحاف, the cover. The لحاف, the duvet. Duvet is لحاف. لحاف. Sometimes in the Middle East we make it from cotton. So we have the mattress مرتبة. And then we put الملاية, the bed sheet ملاية, and then لحاف. And then we have the blanket. This warm blanket we call it بطانية. So this is بطانية, warm blanket. If it's like a light blanket, we call it coverta. Coverta is like a light blanket for summertime, but the warm one we call it بطانية. So we have the bed, سرير. We have the مخدة, the pillow. We have كيس مخدة, the pillowcase. كيس مخدة, the mattress, and نفرش to spread the ملاية. نفرش الملاية. And we have لحاف, and then we have the warm blanket بطانية. And that's how we make the bed, or we tidy up the bed. ازاي نوضب السرير. How to tidy up the bed, or how to make the bed. نوضب السرير.